Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2022 not showing. For example, when you go into Spotify and tap on search in the bottom left hand corner, right below browse all, you will see 2022 Wrapped. If you do not see this when you open Spotify, what I would recommend you do first is go into your App Store or Play Store if you are using an Android device. And once in the App Store, you want to type in Spotify, as you want to find out if the app needs updating, as most of the time it's because the app needs updating why you're not seeing the wrap. So you'll simply type in Spotify and you'll search for it. If after searching for Spotify you realize that it does not need updating, the other thing that I would recommend you do is simply close the app out of the background, as a lot of the time that helps. So by closing the app out of the background and then refreshing it and opening Spotify again, most of the time you'll be able to see the wrap right there. But if you still aren't able to see the wrap after doing that, you are going to go into settings, and once in settings you are going to scroll down and select general. Then from here you are going to select iPhone storage, and if you are on an Android device you'll simply go into settings and you are going to search for Spotify. And once you have found the Spotify app, you are going to, let me find it real quick. On an iPhone, you are going to tap on Offload App, and if you are on an Android device, you'll simply tap on Clear Cache. And don't worry, after offloading the app, you'll simply come back into this section and you'll simply tap on Reinstall App. And once you have done that, you can open Spotify and more than likely you will be able to see the wrap. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.